Hello and welcome to Castle's Corner. I'm Coach Castle, and today we'll be reading a clip from my latest book, The Personal Trainer's Guide to Logical Fallacies. Now, of course, logical fallacies apply in all areas of our life, and in this particular instance, I'm simply applying them to the fact that personal trainers and gym bros frankly have no knowledge of logic, and they really need to learn it so that they can enhance their techniques, improve their bodies much faster, and do everything in a much more efficient manner, saving money, time, and damage to their bodies. Today I'll be addressing appeal to ignorance. The logical fallacy appeal to ignorance occurs when a conclusion is based on the lack of evidence rather than the existence of evidence, or when a lack of knowledge is used as evidence for a claim. Normally, the person with no evidence will react irritated and unwilling to admit their own lack of knowledge. For example, in a debate between two people, person A, who would be the intelligent trainer, and person B, the unintelligent trainer, it would go something like this. Person A: biomechanically correct exercises are far more efficient and time-saving. Then person B, the latter, may argue that newer methods are not effective simply because they do not understand them or are not familiar with them. Biomechanical analysis? Physics? Biotensegrity? I have no idea what those are. Why would it even matter what those are? This is a logical fallacy because trainer B is using their own lack of knowledge or understanding as evidence against the validity of the new methods, rather than examining the evidence and research and actually learning something.